How to modify Expedia booking. In order to modify an Expedian booking, you can simply log into your Expedia account first thing first, after which you just want to go to the trips section from the bottom. Once you've done this, you want to go ahead and find your booking. You want to tap that out, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and manage booking and follow the instructions to change. Ensure it's with the same airlines, or ensure it's with the same reservation that you've made. And once you've done that, you could simply go ahead and select and modify it, date, time, month, all that stuff. And that is how you're supposed to modify Expedia booking. Now, there are a list of options available, since it could be for the flight, hotel rentals, activities, or 24-hour rules as well. Now, if you booked within the last 24 hours, some airlines allow full cancellation, allowing you to rebook as well. And for issue not handled online, you could use Expedia's virtual agent or service chat as well, or directly contact the support team. They can also help you out with that. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.